Samsung have just given us some teasers about Galaxy Unpacked. But what could it mean? Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. Samsung have just dropped some teasers about what's to come with its latest Unpacked event that's due to arrive this month in July. Can't believe we're in July already. Let's break down the videos and take a look as to what they could mean, and then we'll speculate about what Samsung are going to announce. Let's take a look at the teasers and get excited about them, and then we're going to do another video later on talking about what you should be excited for when it comes to Galaxy Unpacked. So here's the first one that I've got here, a whole new slice. Let's play this in full and enjoy it. That just made me hungry. Okay, so it obviously looks like it's reshaping something. Wonder what that could mean. Let's look at the next one. Interesting. Again, it's a reframing of something, or changing the shape of something, removing excess in a way that was maybe unnecessary, and then reshaping it to be a different shape and size. And then it said feels just right. Again, wonder what that could be hinting at. Let's keep going. Interesting. That was obviously the challenge that we saw from Squid Games, whatever it was, the Netflix show based South Korea. That was the challenge, that they had to break off a shape. That shape obviously looked very similar to the other shapes from the other teasers that we've just seen. And it's obviously about reshaping something and making it be a sweet reveal. So are they revealing a certain shape that they want us to know about? I think there's two more. Let's take a look. That is like the strongest indication yet to me that we're about to see a folding phone, or a phone of some kind that's been reshaped to be in a size that they deem to be the best orientation. Whether that's the case, that'll obviously be down to when we get to use it. But obviously, as you can see, it's been sliced and only what's important is left, according to that teaser. So does that mean that the foldable that they launch is only going to be that size and that's what is important? We can only speculate for now, but there's one more. Okay, so all we can see is everything has been reshaped and resized, and they keep hinting at sweet new size. Like, it's all about the size being the sweet spot. So maybe this is a phone that has been tested and used, and they're like, right, this is the perfect size, perfect form factor. It's the sweet spot for a compact folding phone. That's what I'm getting and picking up from this. Again, it's all speculation for now. Obviously, we know what Samsung think like, so it could change, but I don't know, it's pretty unlikely. Anyways, won't have to wait too long. Unpacked doesn't seem too far away, so make sure you hit subscribe here at SamMobile TV. I was almost going to say SamMobile.com. You can go find us at SamMobile.com for all the latest news, updates, software, everything's put onto there, and then also find us in our socials. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.